Yes, yes, yes. This is Big Ben. I'm live. I'm live. I'm live. Shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to everybody that's making money. Okay, I know you guys. Some of you guys are probably making money right now. Because right now is a bloodbath, and you see why I tell people, it's dangerous right now. Right now is a dangerous game. So shout out to you guys. If you are new to my channel, my name is Big Ben, and I am a professional day trader, professional swing trader. I basically day trade the stock market Monday to Friday, and I swing trade crypto. So if that's something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button. And not only that, during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay, so let's get this party started. And like I said before, if you're new to the channel, if you're new to crypto and you're tired of losing money, okay, if you're tired of losing money, today is the day that you should change the way you think. Okay, because if you don't, then this could get worse. And I don't want to see you guys get wiped out. So shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see who's in the building so far. Hey, what's going on, TP dollar sign? So you guys can hear me, right? Shout out to you guys. Let me see who else is in the building. What's going on? Dom, what's going on? Travis, TJ, what's going on, man? Mikey Diamonds, GR8, Mr. Hall. What's going on in the community, man? Thanks a lot for coming through. I appreciate it. I appreciate everybody coming through. Today is definitely a bloody day for a lot of people, okay? But if you play this game safe, this market should not affect you too much. Who else is in the building? What's going on, Doug? What's going on, everybody that's here? Let me see. BJ, what's going on? Cupcake, hey, what's going on, Cupcake? I didn't see you in a long time. I didn't see Cupcake in a long time. What's going on? So shout out to you guys, man. Thanks a lot for coming through. Let me see. Who else is in the building? Cedric, what's going on? Randy, what's going on, man? Dom said, you said sad day, really? Yeah, man. Sad day in the space. Especially XRP. It's very sad for XRP. Okay. Let me see. I'm trying to read these comments, guys, so give me a second. Let me see. I'm seeking shorts, bro. Shout out to Ben. What's going on, man? Everybody, shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for coming through. Yeah, a lot of lows, exactly. The crypto market is scary right now, exactly. Randy said, what's up, family? I just finished roasting this hodler YouTuber in a comment. I think I hurt his feelings. Had to tell the truth. So what you said, Randy, what did you say to him? And what made you say that? What was he talking something bullish? What's going on, Colin? Colin said you picked up TRX. Let me ask you a question, Colin. Why did you pick up TRX today? You said, what are my top four besides BTC? Right now, I don't have a top four. Okay. Basically, Bitcoin and Ethereum. And that's about it. That's the top two right there. Everything else is just, you know. Let me see. DB said, hello, Ben. Bloody for the ones that don't have your course. I know, I hear you, man. I hear you. So shout out to everybody that's here, man. If you are new to my channel, definitely ask me a question. I've been doing this for 11 years. So if you want to learn something, definitely ask me any question about this. So basically, Emmanuel said, I plan to buy a course. Are you looking to buy the course today, Emmanuel? Let me know, Emmanuel. Are you looking to buy the course today? So let's go to XRP, guys. You know, XRP has been a bloodbath, okay? A bloodbath. And basically, this is why I tell you guys, you know, it is not wise to buy in a bear market. It's not wise to buy in the bear market because this thing could go lower and lower and lower. That's why I asked, I forgot who said, Colin said he bought TRX. You know, you guys, you have to understand that this market could continue to go down. So buying crypto at this price is a dangerous game, guys. And if I see someone trying to buy crypto, I'm going to tell everybody, you know, how I feel, because buying crypto right now is just dangerous. Okay, so shout out to everybody right here. Let me see what's going on here in a room. Doug said crypto ain't hype no more, man. Yeah, I know. But it's still money to be made, though. You know, don't get that twisted. Like, it's still money to be made, but at the same time, yeah, it's not like back in the days, back in January, where people were just going crazy. But it's still money to be made if you understand how to play these swings. Dom said Ben short XRP like crazy today. Shout out to Dom. All right. BTC, yeah, I'm gonna look at BTC real quick. Colin said, "Here you pushing the buzzer, lame Ben. No more buzzer. Makes you sound shield." I don't know what buzzer you talking about. Colin, what buzzer you talking about? Let me see. There's a lot of questions so far. So let me go over XRP real quick. So guys, you know, this is the exact reason why I tell you guys, basically, it's dangerous. It's dangerous game buying these dips. So basically, let's go overall. Let me see. It went down. We down 90%. Okay, since January. I mean, since this high, XRP is down 90%. Okay. So for all your favorite YouTuber that's claiming that we are in a bull market, okay, let them know that their favorite coin, a lot of these favorite coins, a lot of their favorite coins is down a lot. Okay, this is not a bull market. This is a bear market, and if you know anything about bear markets, you know that these markets are brutal. They don't care about you, you know, and basically fundamentals doesn't, you know, it doesn't matter in the bear market. Okay, people say, oh well, Bitcoin this or XRP that or Tron this, whatever. Fundamentals, you know, fundamentals don't matter in the bear market. Okay, the market will do whatever it wants to do. You guys have to understand that. Okay, it's just what it is, how things work. So for you guys that's just buying, you know, just because you think prices is low, man, that's a dangerous game, guys. That's a dangerous game. So Bitcoin dominance is actually growing. So like I said before, by the end of this year, most likely you will see Bitcoin at probably more than 50%. Okay. A lot of these altcoins are going to get, they're going to get wrecked. A lot of these altcoins are going to get wrecked, and you know, a lot of these altcoins are going to just continue to go down. It's just what it is. So let me see if I see any questions before I continue. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you are new to the channel, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. If you are new to the channel, don't be shy. I've been doing this for 11 years, so don't be shy. Let me see. Somebody wanted to do Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin basically did a crazy crash. Okay, I told you that, guys. What they're doing right now is they stopping people out. Okay, they stopping all the guys that went long. They going through all the stops. Okay, that's all they're doing right now. They're crashing all, targeting all the stops. Okay, so right now, a lot of people, you know, think everything, every little area is the bottom. Let me see. Let me see. I'm reading these questions, guys, so give me a second. I'm looking at these questions because this live stream is is me, answering questions and going back and forth. So this live stream is all about that. So I'm gonna see if been averaging $100 a day a week. Thanks, Ben. Shout out to TB. He said he's been averaging $100 a day, man. That's what's up. Randy, I politely explained how he was wrong, and that if he wanted to stop losing money, learn how to make money while the market's going down. Shout out to Randy. All right. So I'm reading these questions here. A lot of questions right here. He said he was accumulating next. Yeah, I know, man. A lot of people are accumulating crazy. Am I wrong, or there's new setups forming? New setups are where, Dom? And shout out to everybody that's here, man. Thanks a lot for. Actually, let me give you guys a round of applause. Let me give guys a round of applause. Thanks you guys for coming through. What's wrong with the cha-ching button, Colin? What's wrong with that button? I don't know what's wrong with it. Do you think Tron will get down to extra 1 cent? Yes. And I remember someone on his live stream said there's no way Tron could get to 1 cent. But you have to understand, guys, we are in the bear market. It's just what it is. So, I believe I'm saying it right. Kaylee French said, you have to dollar cost average the long haul holds. Don't invest what you can't spare or can't afford and wait. XRP long hold 2 to 5 years. Wall Street is pushing the market down, and they can get it cheap. Well, you have to understand, French. Basically, we are in a bear market. And you know, you have to understand that buying at levels, okay, buying at levels is a dangerous thing, because this, you don't know the bottom, you don't know when it's going to be the bottom. And most people are just putting their whole life savings in these coins. Let me see. I'm reading these questions. Let me see. Smash these likes too, guys. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, let me know if you have any questions. Cedric said, I closed my Ethereum short today and made a quick $120. So shout out to him, man. Thanks a lot. I mean, thanks for making this money. Okay. So shout out to all you guys that's making this money. All right, so what's going on, Leslie Savage? All right, so basically, I was reading these questions now. Now let's get back to the charts, okay? Let's get back to the charts. So basically, can be possible download the lessons. You said can be to possible download lessons. You said what lessons you want to download. But anyway, guys, let's get to the chart, okay? Shout out to everybody that's here, okay? Right now, Bitcoin is shooting down. What it's doing is basically stopping people out, okay? So let me go back to the 1 day, explain everything what's going on, because most people just don't understand what's going on. Okay, guys, let me understand. Let me tell you that, you know, there's cycles in the market, okay? There's something that's called a bull cycle, something that's called a bear cycle, something's called a sideways cycle, which most people don't even talk about. But, you know, I'm not even going to talk about that right now. But right now, we are in the bear cycle, okay? We've been going down ever since January, okay? Most people want to use the same strategy that they used last year. And you can't use a bull strategy in a bear market, okay? So what we had here was a triangle forming. Most people thought this triangle was a bullish triangle, but anyway, we had this triangle. Sellers came in the triangle. Okay, that's why I told you guys on live that I'm short right here. Okay, that's why I made my money right here. All right, now let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, let me zoom out real quick. We have stops right here. I told you guys that the rich, they playing a different game, okay? They playing a way, like they want 100 or 1,000 steps ahead of you. So they know everything. They know where your stops is at. They know how much you have. They know how much you're risking. They know everything, okay? They have all the paperwork. So they know where your stops is at. So they blowing past these stops like it's nothing. A lot of people having stops at these key levels. They blowing past these levels like it's nothing. So what's going on right now? Most people is looking at the daily chart and they're saying to themselves, "There's no way Bitcoin could go down and have 6 red days in a row." So that's why most people are trying to buy. Okay, so we had this big dump today, and most likely what's going to happen is eventually we're going to see some type of pullback, but I don't believe it's going to be a big pullback. I think it's going to be a tiny pullback. Okay. And I think we're just going to chop around. Then we're going to chop around and then continue to go back down to the lows. So this is why I tell you guys, listen, it's very, very dangerous to buy in the bear market, because in the bear market, you don't know the bottom. No one knows the bottom. And basically, you're just wasting money. It's best to play the swings in the bear market. You will make more money playing the swings versus you trying to buy and trying to hold. Okay, so for you guys that just trying to waste money, relax. Just wait until the bulls come back, because you don't want to put all your life savings into one coin and think that that coin is going to save you. Anything can happen 5 years from now. Nothing is 100% guaranteed. This is the only market that I see where people, when they talk like everything is 100% guaranteed. I just can't, I can't believe it. What I'm seeing, I can't believe what I'm seeing in the crypto space. I can't believe what I'm seeing with the crypto YouTubers, and they brainwashing other people. Okay, they brainwashing other people. So basically, you have to understand that most of these YouTubers don't know what they're talking about. Okay. I was listening to a guy, right, and a YouTuber talking about keep on buying, right, and the guy the comment he commented below, and he said I'm trusting you. I just loaded up with more XRP, heavy bags. Okay, so he bought more XRP while the market is still tanking. He said he's trusting the YouTuber. Okay, he's trusting the YouTuber because they have a certain amount of subscribers, or they popular on YouTube, and they buying blindly. This is not a video game, guys. So what we're seeing right here is a bear market. You have to understand the bear market is very brutal. It will continue to go down until it doesn't want to go down no more. So let me see what I see in the comment box before I continue to go. And shout out to everybody that's here. I'm just trying to let you guys know that, I've been doing this for 11 years. I don't want you guys to basically get wrecked and lose a lot of money, like I did. You have to play this like a professional. So let me go to the chat room and see what's going on here. The only YouTuber that cares about us is Big Ben, period. Shout out to Dom. Let me see. I'm reading these questions, guys. Give me a second. Barbecue to the moon. Shout out to Travis. Barbecue to the moon. If you are new to the channel, though, man, please, if you have any questions, don't be shy. It's not like you talking on the mic or anything. Just type out your question and let me know. But shout out to everybody that's here. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Third time. Ben, can I get the discount while you online? Esco Crypt. Yes. So give me like 2 minutes. I'm gonna read these questions. Let me see what's going on. So yeah, give me Echo. Give me like 2 minutes. Let me see. They are talking absolutes. Yeah, exactly. I notice you always leave chance for your prediction. Yes, exactly. You have to because I used to. When I was a beginner, I used to talk in absolutes. So I would say this will happen or that will happen. Okay. And when you see someone talks about, oh, Bitcoin can never go to 4K or Tron can never go to 1 cent, that's how you know someone is a rookie and they don't do this full time. Saying that something can't go anywhere. That's basically saying that you control the market, okay? The market could do whatever it wants to do. Just like you see gold right now, you see gold. A lot of people thought gold was going to go higher, okay? But gold is doing whatever gold wants to do. It's just how the market works. We can't control the market. That's why we participate and we look for an edge, okay? You said any commission free? I don't know. Brian said, "What's up, man? I need a course. I need a 50% off right now." So shout out to you guys that's asking about the course. All right, let me get that because you the second person that asked me about this course. So let's get that over with. And if you are new to the channel, they basically talking about this course right here, okay? And during the live stream, I give guys 50% off, okay? And basically, this course will show you how to make money right now during this current market. Most people don't know how to make money, so that's why they buying the dips, okay? You can actually save money. You can save the money that you're trying to buy the dips. You can save that, right? And you can actually play the swings in the market. Play the swings in the market. And then when the market turns bullish, because trust me, the bottom, you don't even know the bottom. You can't even tell it. Okay, this is not even a bottom. This is the beginning. Most people just don't understand, guys. This is the beginning. We only 8 months in. We only 8 months in. This is the beginning, guys. We are nowhere near the bottom. So if you keep on buying, man, you're just wasting money. You can actually make more money by swinging, playing these swings in the market versus buying every little dip. And you guys just listen to these stupid YouTubers that don't know anything. All they know is basically, hey guys, buy. That's all they know. So I just copied it. I just copy and paste the link for you guys. For you guys that want to get this course, I just copy and paste. Like I said, once I get off the live stream, it goes back to the regular price. This is the best course on the crypto market, period, hands down. I got the testimonials to back that up. So basically, it will show you how to do everything step by step. If you want to learn how I made money from this swing right here, okay, it's in the course. It'll show you step by step. A lot of people said nobody knew that Bitcoin was going down. Well, I guess you don't know how to read TA. Okay, this was I told you guys when I came on live stream. I told you guys when I was shorting this. I told you guys this is a very high quality setup. Very high quality setup. So anyway, it's up to you guys. You know, some of you guys just want to listen to these YouTubers that have no clue. Okay, and the reason why they have no clue is because if they don't know how to make money in this current market, they are clueless, straight up clueless. And you listening to people that don't know how to make money in this current market. Okay, you have 16-year-olds telling you what to do. You have 16-year-olds telling you to buy the dips, and you listen to a 16-year-old that don't know anything about the market. You only listen to him because he got basically what? You know, a good following. But if you had, you know, a problem with your heart, would you ask a 16-year-old to diagnose you and tell you what's the problem? Or would you go to a doctor that basically been doing it for years and let him tell you what's going on? Okay. So if you would, you know, go to a doctor, why is different when it comes to crypto? Why are you listening to people that don't do this full time? Why are you listening to people that just, you know, basically speculate and do YouTubing for full time, but don't make money from this full time? A lot of you guys just you know, it's just crazy. So if you have any questions, if you're new to the channel, let me know. Let me see. So yes, the people that asked me about the discount, I just gave you guys the discount. All right. Let me see. I'm going through these questions. What's going on, 45? I didn't even see you, man. Guys, let us help Ben for free info. Hit the likes. Yes, thanks a lot, DB, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, hit these likes. BG said, You said it's not as smooth, BJ. I don't know what you mean by that. Not as smooth. I don't really mean by that, BJ. I really don't know. But like TB dollar sign said, you can actually use TradingView if you want to, just to look at the price and then, you know, take your trades on a JAFAX. Let me see. P called said, I believe I'm saying this right. PC all 01 said, will I be able to view your course on an iPad, iPhone? Don't own a PC. Do you own a Mac? Because all the Mac users, I have a lot of Mac users. So do you own a Mac? I believe you can actually get it. You said oh, okay. So yes, Randy said yes. PC aid. Randy said yes. So I believe I'm saying your name right. PC all 01. Randy said he got it on his phone. So yes. So I'm reading these questions, guys. Shout out to everybody that's here. 16-year-old from UK, man. Thanks a lot for coming through. You said 16-year-old guy from UK. Nah. Well, oh, you talking about him? Nah, I wasn't talking about him. You know, I don't know if he know what he's doing. I'm talking about some other guy. The 16 guy from the UK. I think he sounds like, you know, he has his head on his shoulder. You know, I'm not sure how good he is, but he sounds like at least he's trying to do TA and trying to, you know. No, I'm not talking about the Four Flies guy from UK. I'm talking about somebody else. I'm quite sure you know who I'm talking about. So Echo said, got the course, Ben. Thanks a lot, man. You know, thank you, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Shout out to Echo. Okay, shout out to him getting this course. Okay, I tell everybody that get the course, man. If you know, once you get the course and you study, there's money to be made, guys. There's money to be made. People are buying the dips. You know how many people bought? Let me explain something to you real quick. People bought the dip right here. Okay, got screwed. People bought the dip right here. It got screwed. People bought the dip right here. Got screwed. People are buying these dips. They're getting screwed, guys, left and right. Left and right, man. I'm telling you, you can save so much money, right? You could save so much money and stop buying these dips and play the swings. Okay, so while you buying the dip, I actually went short right here, guys. I went short right here. So while you buying the dip, I'm selling the market and making money, and you losing money. You see the difference? You see how a professional plays the market? A professional knows that we in the bear market, so he's not even interested in buying dips, because he knows that this bad boy can go down lower and lower and lower, because no one knows the bottom. It's very hard to detect a bottom in a bear market. This is why I told you guys that most people came on the stream and say we have a triple bottom. I'm saying, guys, this don't look like a triple bottom. This looks like a fake out. Okay, it's too obvious. I've been telling you guys since day one. This is too obvious. This head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, too obvious. This triple bottom, too obvious. Everything is too obvious. Everybody and a mother was talking about this triple bottom, inverse head and shoulders. So, you know, you think that, you know, all of a sudden these newbies know everything now and they're going to get it right? Nah, the market doesn't. The market is designed to take your money. That's why you have to understand how to work it. So shout out to Echo. He bought this course right here. If you're new to the channel, you definitely got to check this out, because this is the course that's showing people step by step how to make money in the current market. So shout out to you. Let me give you a round of applause, actually. Shout out to Echo. I just copied and pasted the link for anybody that don't have that course. But let me give that a round of applause to Echo, man. That's what's up. Thanks a lot for supporting that channel. Everything is backwards in these times. Adults listen to children. You know, honestly, I don't mind people listening to, you know, teenagers, but I want that teenager to at least, you know what he's talking about and basically make money in this current market, because most people on YouTube don't know how to make money in this current market. Shout out to 45. 45 said, check out the screenshot. What screenshot? You emailed me a screenshot? 45 said he emailed me a screenshot. Let me see. Shout out to you guys. Chancellor said made 700% profit. Leverage. Whoo! Right in these shorts. Gosh, Lee, 700%, guys. You see that? You see that, guys? And your guys is buying the dips. And your guys is buying dips, and people are making 700% on their money. Are you crazy? This is, guys, come on, man. You know, let's be real now. You know, oh my, let me hit that cha-ching button for me. Shout out to you, man, for making this money. Goodness gracious. So let me see if I get that screenshot. Okay, so I see the screenshot. Shout out to D45. So I'm gonna see if I get that picture of the screenshot of 45. So I see that screenshot you're talking about, 45. Hey, what's going on? Hey, what's going on, Keith? There's nothing but news XRP. Bye, bye, bye. Keith is funny. Keith said there's nothing but good news on XRP. Bye, bye, bye. Magnum said, Ben, we listen to them because not everybody is like you. Want to day trade. Some people want to buy and hold. Magnum, let me explain something to you. I'm not day trading, Magnum. You have to understand, what we doing is not day trading. We are swing trading. Okay, Magnum? It's the same thing you're doing when you buy and hold. Okay? Most people just don't, they can't, just, you know, put like this. Let me say this. Stop being lazy. Put like that. Stop being lazy, because that's what most people, when they buy and hold, they are being lazy. Okay? When you buy this market, you have to go to an exchange, right? You have to go to the platform. You have to press buy, right? So the same steps that you're taking to buy these dips, you can take that same step to play these swings. So stop the excuses, guys. That's just an excuse. I played this short to the downside off the daily chart. So if you have a 9 to 5, it doesn't matter. You can see setups, you know, even if you're still working. Okay, so stop with all the excuses talking about day trading and all this stuff. No, when I created this course, I know that people still work a 9 to 5, so I created just for people. I know that people don't have time to day trade. Okay, we are swing trading, so we are playing the high time frames. So stop with all the excuses and stop being lazy, man. People want to just buy and hold. No, you don't want to buy and hold. Do you want to lose money? You know, that it's just plain laziness and being brainwashed by society. Stop it. So you're telling me that you are okay. Are you okay seeing your portfolio go down every single month? That's what you're telling me? And I don't believe that. I just don't believe that. I think some people are just so lazy, man. Let me see. Brian said he just got the course, man. Shout out to you. Let me hit that cha-ching to Brian, man. Shout out to you, man. Let me hit that cha-ching button. Thanks a lot, Brian. Thanks for the support. And like I tell everybody, once you study and basically follow things step by step, there's money to be made, man. There's money to be made. Shout out to Brian. And I'm trying to get to these questions real quick. 45. I'm gonna get to your screenshot. I'm just trying to, cause the way you send me the screenshot, I can't download it. So I'm trying to get. Matter of fact, I'm gonna save the picture. Let me save this picture real quick. I'm gonna save the picture. I'm trying to show you guys this screenshot. Just give me a second, guys. But let me read these questions real quick. Let me see if I see any questions. You said Four Lies is Australian. I don't know. I don't know what he is. Let me see. Emmanuel said, what is a swing? Okay, Emmanuel, a swing is this. Okay, when you look at the market, okay, when you look at a market, the market doesn't go straight up. It doesn't go straight down. Okay, so when you see the market go down like this and pull back, right? A pullback is considered a swing. Okay, the market never goes straight up, straight down. So we always have these swings in the market. And these swings right here, you can actually take advantage of these swings. Imagine how much money you could have made right here, because you have to understand, okay? Most people are, put it like this, 80%, 90% of cryptocurrency, they don't have no clue, okay? They don't understand what works, how to read the market. So instead of making money from here, they buying these dips. So they bought this dip, they bought this dip, they bought this dip, they bought this dip. So instead of buying dips in the bear market, okay, you have to start to think like, I have to start thinking like a professional. Okay, so you can actually sell these swings. So you can sell this one, sell this one, sell this one. Look how much money you can make instead of buying these dips. Okay, now some of my students made money on the upside too. Okay, me personally, I don't play the upside on on the bear market, but some people do. But the good part about this is it will show you how to make money in the bull and the bear market. Okay, so that's the swings. It's the pullbacks that goes on the chart. Let me see. Let me see. Magnum said, yes, but for a person like me, I don't mind dumping $100 every 2 weeks. Just sit for 5 years and I'm going to make 20 bucks a day. See, Magnum, you have to understand, Magnum. I don't know how old you are, but you have to understand how to make money, okay? That's not making money. For 5 years, if you sit on something for 5 years and it's going down and it's just doing nothing, how is that productive? Okay? You putting $100 every single week or whatever, every single month. Don't you know that you can make more money playing the swings versus you buying the dips? I don't understand the concept of most people. It seems like most people want to lose money instead of make money. I just don't get it. Okay? And Magnum said that he said that unless the market goes to zero, I'm not losing money. Magnum, this is what I'm trying to tell you, Magnum. This is what I'm trying to tell you. That the coins that you are buying right now, we don't know what's going to happen 5, 10, 15 years. Okay? You putting your hard-earned money into coins that you don't even know what's going to happen 5 to 10 years from now. You hope and wish that it will go up. We don't know what's going to happen. And this is not just crypto currencies. I treat stocks the same way. Okay? I treat stocks the same way. Any company could go down. Any coin could go down. Most of you guys that buy and hold, the way you talk is like buy and hold is the holy grail and is 100% guaranteed. Okay? The way you guys talk is buy and hold is 100% guaranteed. That's the way you talking. So let me see. Yeah, Magnum said he's dumping $100 every 2 weeks, but he don't realize that. Matter of fact, let me show him something. Let me show Magnum something, guys. Let me show Magnum something. Let me give me a second, guys. I'm gonna show Magnum something right now, cause I've been holding off. Give me a second right now. I'm gonna show Magnum something right now because most people just don't understand, guys. There's money out here to be made, and you playing games talking about this buy and hold crap, and you doing it because you're listening to the news and these stupid YouTubers. That's the only way. That's the only reason you're doing it. Because guys, you don't understand the ideas that you have in your head. It didn't come from you. Okay, let me say that one more time for you guys that didn't hear that. The ideas that you have in your head right now, it didn't come from you. Okay, so the reason why you're thinking that buy and hold is a good strategy is because it came from somebody else. Okay, so you guys just don't understand that it's not what you really want to do. The reason you're doing it because you heard about it. Someone told you about it. Okay, but I'm telling you right now, I'm doing this full time. And I know people that's doing this full time way longer than me. And they don't buy and hold, guys. That's not their strategy. So let me show you something real quick. Man, I'm trying to figure this out. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Show you guys something right now. Sheesh. Trying to open this thing up real quick. Gosh. So shout out to everybody that's here. If you are new to the channel, welcome. And if you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years plus. So if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, so let me show you something, guys, right now. I'm trying to I'm trying to blow it up. So give me a second, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to blow this picture up. All right, so let's see what I got right here. Okay, so shout out to everybody that's here, man. Thanks a lot for coming through. I'm gonna show you something right now. I got it up. I'm trying to move this thing. All right, so let me show. I don't know. I forgot his name already. Magnum. Okay, Magnum. Okay, Magnum. Let me show you something, Magnum. Okay. Shout out to 45 guys. Guys, everybody in this chat room, guys. Everybody in this chat room, I want you guys to give 45 a round of applause. Okay. Give 45 a round of applause. 45 started his account with $86, guys. Now his balance is $783. Okay. $783. Okay. Now, I want you guys to give 45 a round of applause. Congratulate him, because he's a person, right? 45 is a person that basically decided to not lose no more. He was tired of losing. He said, I can't take this no more. I know it has to be another way. And he decided to basically take action and play the swings in the market. So shout out to 45, man. 45 took $86 and turned it to $783. So let's go back to the Magnum guy. Okay, the Magnum guy. Okay, the Magnum guy claims that he didn't claim, but basically he said that he puts $100 into whatever coin. I don't know what coin he puts it in. He put $100 every 2 weeks into his coin. Okay. 45 put $86 in his account, and now he's up 7 times or 6 times his money, whatever it is. Okay. This is the power of knowledge, and this is the power of playing these swings. Your $100 is going down every single month. Okay. So you're putting money into a coin every single month, and it's disappearing. Your $100 is not $100 no more. You have to understand that your $100 is not $100 no more. It's disappearing. Okay. So what I tell people is, instead of wasting money, wait until the bulls come back into the market. Make money now, because there's ways to make money right. There's money right in front of your face. Stop playing these games, man. This is why I titled this stream, are you tired of losing money? Because most of you guys just follow things just because you heard it. You have to understand the ideas and the thoughts that's in your head right now, it didn't come from you. You didn't think about that, okay? Most of you guys don't even understand what I'm just trying to tell you right now. The thoughts that's in your head right now, it didn't come from you. You heard it from someone else. Someone else gave you your thoughts. Now you believe that that's the way, but in reality, that's not the way. Because if it was the way, you'd be chilling somewhere, okay, on vacation, drinking your favorite beverage, okay? But no, you're not on vacation, because you have to go back to whatever you have to do, and you basically doing everything like the average Joe. So you're following what the average Joe do, right? And the average people basically get average results. You have to think like the rich. How you have to study the rich, understand how they play, because they are not playing the same games that you're playing, guys. The games that they're playing is way different than your game. So shout out to 45. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Okay, let me hit that cha-ching button for him, and let me hit that round of applause. So shout out to him. Okay, shout out to him. Let me get that round of applause. Okay. And basically 45 is one of my students. So if you don't have this course by now, you basically, I don't know what you're doing. You know, you got to get this course. It will show you how to be a professional, show you how to not lose money because you buying based on beliefs. It will show you the real deal. I copy and paste the link. Let me copy and paste it one more time. Basically, during the live stream is 50% off. And as soon as I get off the live stream, it goes back to the regular 210. So I just copy and paste the link. Let me go back to my questions because I know I have a lot of questions right now. Felix said, I want to learn how to swing trade. Yes, Felix, if you want to learn how to swing trade right now, this is your best bet. It's very affordable. I can charge way more than this. I have the testimonials to approve it. You saw that I just showed you. What is that? I showed you this. Okay. So, Felix, if you don't have the course, check it out. It will show you step by step. You know, I will show you. Basically, you're going to know the reason why I took this short right here. And how I made that money. So, anyway, guys, let me see. Let me go back to these questions. And shout out to Randy. Randy's in this live stream. Basically, Randy gave me this picture right here. So this picture, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this picture is showing you guys the difference between a hodler and a guy that's playing the swings. Okay, so a hodler, right? He bought the market right here. Okay, and this is the average of 200 and what is it? This is 225 days, I believe. It says 225-day hold. So the hodler bought the market right here. The market went down. He's losing money. The market finally went up, but it crashed back down. He's losing money. Finally went up, and this is the current price. So this is within 225 days. Okay, so within 225 days, he only made 7%. Now the guy that's playing the swings, basically, he made he shorted the market. He made 56%, right? He went long, made 218%, shorted the market again. He made 40%. He went long 38%. But let's say that he didn't. So overall, it says with margin, because when we do go short, we do use margin. Okay, so with margin, that's a 1,700 1,760 return. Okay, but let's say that you didn't play most of the swings. Let's say that you just only shorted. Okay, you still probably came off way better than the guy that was buying and holding. Okay, so you have to understand, playing the swings is nothing new. It's nothing new. It's just that most of you guys are so lazy, you're so brainwashed, you're so everything that you don't want to figure out how things work because your favorite YouTuber told you to buy, accumulate more. So you're gonna listen to him. You're gonna be, you're gonna be Mr. Good Guy and listen to him while you're losing money every single day. Anyway, let me see. Dom said Magnum must be baptized by Ben. Shout out to Dom. DB said I'm down with my hodl, but not all, 30%. Yeah, I hear you, man. And you said 70% swinging. Shoosh, I hear that, man. Oh man, let me see. I'm going through these questions. You said Facebook dipped like 20%. What, recently? It dipped right now at 20%? Oh, you talking about overall? Let me see. Nah, I'm reading these questions, so give me a second, guys. Chancellor said, what level do you think it could pull back to? What, Bitcoin? Shit, I don't know. It's hard to say right now. It's very hard to say. I'm taking it day by day because Bitcoin, the way it looks, okay, the way Bitcoin looks, it looks like most likely they want to continue to go down and they don't want to pull back that much, okay, because they know that most people want to buy these lows. Most people want to buy because you know what most people are thinking right now. Bitcoin went down, what was it, 8 days or 9 days in a row, something like that. Most people are thinking that there's no way Bitcoin will continue to go down. It has to pull back. And this is what's going to happen. They're going to blow their account. So that first green bar, they're going to buy, and it's going to consolidate a little bit, most likely, and drop again. Oh, man, let me see. Hey, what's going on, Ned? Crypto Hypnotized said 3,000 is the bottom. No one knows the bottom. Crypto Hypnotized. Okay. Let me see. Adam says, so how do you short Bitcoin? Basically, Bitcoin, you get an exchange. So whatever exchange you want to use BitMax, Kraken, any exchange that allows you to short, okay, and then you basically look for setups in the market, okay, and then once you're ready, and once that setup is there, you only thing you have to do is press sell. So it's the opposite of buying. Most people, when they buy, put like this: when you buy, you press the buy button, you press either buy market or buy limit. It's the reverse when it comes to selling. You press sell market or sell limit. So it's very easy. Trust me, it's not complicated. Please do not think it's complicated. Adam, if you don't have this course, check it out. It shows you everything step by step. And right now it's only, it's 50% off. So when I get off, it's going back to that price. So check that out. The link is below. Let me see. Crypto Hypnotized said, I'm a contrarian if it all says, yeah, I hear you. But, you said think ETF is a bull trap. Well, it was always a bull trap. Everything's a bull trap in the bear market. Ben said, Dom said, should I get holy water so you can baptize these people? Magnum said, do you lose money if you sell soon on your swings? I don't know what you're talking about, Magnum. That's not how it works, Magnum. It doesn't work like that. So let me see if I go see any questions here. Emmanuel said, I can't wait to understand these graphs like you. Yeah, man. This once you go over these charts over and over and over again, it's gonna become second nature. And you're just gonna see it, man. You're gonna see these patterns. And shout out to everybody that got the course. If you got the course, I forgot to tell you guys, if you got this course, email me after the live stream, because I created a Discord. Was it 2 days ago, 3 days ago? I created a Discord. So email me. Send me proof that you bought the course. Okay, send me proof that you bought the course, and I will send you that link to that Discord. Okay, so shout out to everybody that's that got the course. Send me proof. And I will show you. I will send you that link to the Discord. Let me see. Emmanuel said 45. Did you buy Ben course? Yes, he bought my course. Emmanuel. Let me see. Blake said, I'm a complete beginner when it comes to trading. Is there a simple trick you recommend to make some money? Blake, I just showed you my student started with $78. Now his account is $783. Okay? The only trick is to educate yourself. There's no such thing as one trick. You have to educate yourself with the right information. Okay? And that's it. So I don't care if you go on the internet and figure out free ways to do whatever, or go online go to the library. I don't care where you get your information from, but make sure that you're getting the right information, and make sure that you're not looking for tricks and tips. Tricks and tips is not going to make you money. Okay, you have to have a solid plan, a solid step-by-step plan that's going to make you navigate through these markets, so you can extract that money that you want. Okay, and my course will show you step by step. Dom says so many sheep. I know exactly. Tim Bryan said, you ain't lying, Ben. I used to be a butler for a billionaire. They make the rules, okay? I was in so many meetings. They were sketchy. Oh, man. Oh, man. Shout out to Tim, man. Yeah, guys, you have to understand, man. I tell you guys all the time, for all you guys that want to buy and hold, okay, that's a beginner strategy, man. These billionaires, these millionaires, all they care about is how can they generate that monthly income, guys. You can't generate monthly income by buying and holding, because you have cycles in the market when the market just is not doing anything, okay? And this is a prime example. The market is not doing anything. It's just going down. So for 8 months straight, it's going to basically it's going to go 9 months. Okay, the market basically been doing nothing. So all you guys that's buying and holding didn't make no money. So how can you actually make a living buying and holding? So that's why I try to tell you guys, there's another way. It's a way where you can actually make money, build up your monthly income, because eventually what I want you guys to do is get rid of that stupid 9 to 5. It's no way. Matter of fact, it's impossible to get rid of your 9 to 5 dealing with this, because we always going to have cycles like this. A bear market will never disappear. It's just how the market works. So you can't go, you can't run from the bear market. It's always going to be there. Okay, and you can't do this full time if you're not making money for years. Okay, this bear market can last for years. So I'm trying to give you guys another way to look at things, because these millionaires, these billionaires are not playing the same game you're playing. They're not looking at the game the way you're looking at it. I'm trying to put your guys on, but some of you guys are just, oh my gosh, your guys are just don't, I guess you guys rather listen to a 16-year-old that don't know what they're talking about. Let me see here. Might as well put your money in the bank and let the bank charge you $10 off your dollar money. Oh man, for real. I'm reading these questions, guys. Thanks a lot for coming through, though. Keith said no haters here, loving the respect, success. Yes, man, no problem, man. I loving it too. He said, guys, get the course if you don't have it yet. Shout out to Glenn. Yeah, thanks a lot, man. Shout out to all my moderators, man. Thanks a lot. Let me see. Somebody said I do miss the trolls. Ah, man, you said the trolls gonna come in the bear market? Let me see. I'm reading these questions, guys. Give me a second. Annette said, "Yo, Ben, still making money, small amounts, but still making money." Shout out to you, Annette, man. Let me give that cha-ching button to you. Annette is making his money. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Let me read these questions here. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years. So don't be shy. Tim said, thanks for the Discord link. Yeah, no problem, man. You study. Oh, man, I'm looking at these questions. I'm trying to go on these questions real quick. Do you sell to go to tether while shorting? No, I don't do that. I mean, you can do whatever you want, you know. You can do whatever. If you want to go to tether, that's up to you. You know, I don't do that. Let me see. Man, these coins are down like crazy. Wow. The coin market cap is down. Sheesh. XRP. Let me look at Tron because I don't think I got even. I didn't even think I looked at Tron today. Been so focused on XRP. And guys, remember when I told you that, you know, it looks like we heading for these lows, and that's what's going on right now. We hit the low right here. That's why I got a circle right here. We hit that low right here. It looks like we hit that low right here with Tron. Did we hit it low? Yeah, it looked like we hit it. If not, we most likely going to hit it. Tron looks like he's trying to go to that 1 cent. Let's look at Ethereum. Sheesh. Bloodbath. So Ethereum actually hit the low right here. XRP is just so weak. Actually, let me read some comments, guys. Oh, matter of fact, let me see what's in the chat room real quick. Crypto Inspo, what's going on, Crypto Inspo? Crypto Inspo said, what you miss? I don't know, man. Basically telling people to chill out, stop listening to these people on the YouTube. All right. So yes, let me read some comments that I saw today on YouTube. Let me see if I can pull that thing up. Okay. A guy said, "Dude, I'm loving this. I'm accumulating like hell. I'm dump in everything as soon as it broke. Just looking for my buy signal. Hope to sell until September 30th, blah blah blah." Okay. So basically these guys are accumulating these coins, that's going down, straight down. Let me read another one. And this guy actually, I think he's trying to make some sense. So basically he said, let me see. He said, it's pretty easy. This is a bunch of good news. XRP is getting used. I'm trying to. This is not the one. Let me see. Give me a second, guys. Man, this is not even the one. I'm trying to look for a thing, but basically, it was a comment. Okay, a guy was saying something about XRP, and he said that, you know, I'm not trying to be, you know, trying to be funny or anything, but he said, I don't understand why you guys are still buying. He said, you know, you said that it was a good buy. You said XRP was a good buy at $1. Okay. And then you said it was a good buy at 70 cents. And then you said it was a good buy at 50 cents. And now you're saying it's a good buy at 30 cents. He said, I don't get it. He said, why you guys just keep on buying? Why you just wait until, you know, it goes real low? And this is why most people will continue to lose money, because they think that every time the market goes down, it's at a good price. And I'm telling you guys, I used to think the same way. And I'm trying to help you guys not lose money. I know how rookies think. And the market knows how a rookie thinks. That's why the market loves to take people money that don't know how to, you know, read the market. So the market loves to take advantage of rookies. So most people, they want to buy every little dip, or not even a dip, but every time the market goes down, they want to buy. They think is a good price. But guys, that's the worst strategy ever. Ever. Buying dips in a bull market is great. Buying dips in the bear market is horrible. At least wait till the bear market tries to bottom out. This is the beginning of the bear market, guys. This is the beginning. Okay? The beginning of the bull market. It doesn't matter how much good news your coin comes out with. It doesn't matter. In the bear market, it doesn't matter. So right now, we 8 months in, about to be 9 months in the bear market. This is the beginning, guys. This is just the beginning of the bear market. This thing could last for years, and you keep on buying. So guys, let me ask you something. Let me just, you know, just think about this for a second. Right now we are at what, 6,000 with BTC, and we all know that BTC is the one that's dragging everybody down, right? So if BTC is dragging everybody down, don't you think that if BTC goes to 3K, a lot of these altcoins are going to zero? Some of these altcoins that you're buying right now, they're going to be at like crazy low prices. They're going to be at prices that you probably never thought about. Because think about it. XRP is at what, 30 something cents right now? If Bitcoin continues to go down and it goes down to 3K, what do you think? Where do you think XRP is going to be? Where do you think Tron is going to be? Where do you think a lot of these coins are going to be? Okay, this is why I tell you guys, stop buying these dips. No one knows the bottom, man. This thing could go down low, guys. It can go even lower than 3,000. That's how bear markets work. Bear markets are designed to flush people out. It's designed to reset the market. You know, it's like the market is trying to heal itself right now. Okay, if you have surgery You know, the first day you come out of surgery, you're not going to be walking around and playing sports. You're going to have to recover, right? You're going to have to heal. So that's what the market is doing, is healing itself. It has to reset. And sometimes it takes a long time to heal. But you guys want to buy these dips thinking that it's the best strategy in the world, and it's not, guys. So let me see what's going on in the chat room. On Twitter, they asking us which coins are we going to buy on this dip. you know what's the bad thing about buying dips? Because in theory, right? In theory, most people say they will buy no matter how low a coin goes. In theory, that sounds good, but trust me, guys, I've been through this so many times. When it gets to a certain level, you're gonna stop buying. It's gonna hurt you. Okay, so in theory, it sounds good, but I guarantee you, when your favorite coin hits a certain level, when it's so low, you're gonna stop buying. Okay, you're gonna second guess yourself. You're gonna say, man, I don't know if I want to buy no more. So that buying and the dips, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Let me see. Zcash look good for that one. You said a short. You said Zcash look good for a short. I don't know if I could put. Can I? Zcash. Yeah, see, Zcash was. It popped up right here, and it went down. I even checked BNB. What's going on with BNB? What's going on with BNB? I ain't checked that lately. Ugh, that looks ugly. And for you guys that bought Classic, okay, for you guys that bought Classic, you know, be careful, guys. This is basically a typical buy the rumor, sell the news type of situation. So I told you guys, whoever bought the Classic, Ethereum Classic, be careful, because, guys, we are still in a bear market, okay? You shouldn't be chasing these coins. I don't care if it's going to be listed on Coinbase. If it's going to be listed on Coinbase and they told you already, guys, that means that that news was baked in the chart already, okay? Because usually Coinbase don't tell you way ahead. They don't tell you like weeks ahead. They usually come out one day and say, hey guys, you know, we list this coin, but they told you weeks ahead. So that pump already happened. Okay, so this sell-off could just continue to go back down, most likely, because we're in the bear market. So, you know, just be careful, guys. You know, trust me, it's ugly in the bear market. You said BG said that's the Warren Buffett strategy. You always hear them say buy when the blood in the streets. Yes. See the most people, they always say that, but you can say that when, you know, we in the bear market. So if we in a bear market and it pulls back a decent amount, you know, and everybody gets scared, then yeah, you can buy it. But in the bear market, no, you definitely, that strategy doesn't work in the bear market. You know, for example, if you go to this will be a good example of Warren Buffett. Let me see. Let me show you that. Was it XM? I'm gonna show you the Nasdaq. Hmm. Trying to show you the NASDAQ. I think I got it. I'm trying to figure out what's the index. I gotta go to index. Trying to get this NASDAQ. Well, we can go S&P 500. So basically, you see this big crash right here. Okay, this was scaring a lot of people. Okay, but overall, this is a bull market. Okay, it only went down a little bit, and then it continued to go back up. Let me see what's going on here. Shout out to everybody that's here in the chat room, man. If you have any questions, let me know. Most likely, I'm about to get off this live stream soon. Crypto Inspo said he's buying XRP at 0.009. What's going on, Mr. Zandy? Yeah, I know, man. Keith, man, thanks a lot, Keith, for that. Thanks a lot, Keith, for that super chat. I appreciate it. Keith gave me that $10 super chat, so thanks a lot, man. Let me read the super chat. He says, shout out to Big Ben's course, those making money and those who will make money. Get the course if you haven't yet. So shout out to him, man. Thanks a lot for that super chat. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Let me give you a round of applause. Keith is definitely one of my hard-working students that basically love this game. He loves this game. He loves looking at these charts. So shout out to him. And he's talking about this course. You don't have it by now. Check that out. So thanks a lot, Keith. Appreciate it. Let me see. Yeah, I don't see anything right now. So I'm reading these questions. Give me a second. Yeah, so overall, guys, we're in a bear market. The altcoins was leading. The altcoins were a leading indicator. And basically it told us that the market was not over, right? And we was going to basically continue to go back down. So the altcoins was basically telling us, guys, you know, we don't want to go up with Bitcoin. Okay? We don't want to go up with Bitcoin because this market is not a bull market. So altcoins was a leading indicator, and Bitcoin was just a pump. That's why you see Bitcoin crashing like this, because it was just strictly, it wasn't real bias. Okay, that's why it's crashing like this. It wasn't real bias. This was just a pump. Okay, air. It's just, you know, you pump up air, so it's just a quick pump, and they dump it in on everybody else. And that's what happens in a bear market, guys. It's just what it is, how things work. If you're tired of losing money, then, you know, you can study the market and play these swings. Yeah, BJ and Bimmer, you can email me. I think I have another one. I have another, I have a couple more on, on the broker side. Let me see. And let me show you something real quick on a 4-hour chart. Let me see. What Bitcoin doing anyway? She's Bitcoin. Yeah, most likely we might see some consolidation going on right here. I don't really expect it to go up too high, but it might. I mean, at some point we're going to consolidate. Okay, I'll tell you that much. Okay, don't expect Bitcoin to go up too high. I know a lot of people are buying right now, but basically, let me show you this though. Let me show you this real quick before I get out of here. Gosh, what is this thing at? Trying to look for stupid thing, man. Let me see. Oh, I see it now. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to basically. I don't see the indicator tab. I'm trying to figure out where the indicator tab at. I'm bugging out. Just give me a second, guys. I'm gonna get this thing going. All right, so I'm gonna show you something real quick. Let's look at the RSI. Hold on, man. All right, let's go to the 4-hour. And this is not the RSI I want. I don't know what's going on here. Sheesh. Let me try this one more time. I don't know what's going on here. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. And shout out to everybody that's here, man. Thanks a lot for coming through on my live stream. If you have any more questions before I get out of here, let me know. I'm trying to put this indicator on this thing real quick. I'm trying to show you guys something, but for some reason this indicator doesn't look too good. It doesn't look like the indicator that I want. Gosh, I mean, honestly, I don't know. Okay, so let me see. Right here. All right, here we go. All right, thanks for being patient. All right, so anyway, someone asked me the other day, how come I don't use the RSI, or do I use the RSI? And I told them I don't use it because it's a lagging indicator. Okay, so right here, if you notice right here, the indicator said we oversold on the 4-hour. Okay, and guess what? We still went up. Still went up. Okay, right here we going up, and we pulled back right here, and the RSI told us that it's oversold, and guess what? We pulled back. Okay, it's still oversold. We pulled back more. It's still oversold. We pulled back more. So this is why, me personally, I don't watch the indicators. They are lagging. Price is all you need. Okay, and the trend is all you need. That's it. Because most people, they looked at this indicator, that they said they saw the RSI oversold, right? And they bought right here because they thought Bitcoin was going up. Meanwhile, me, I don't care about no indicators. I look at the overall trend, and overall trend is pointing down. I actually took a short right here. So while you guys is going long, I took a short, and that's how I made my money. So that's why me personally, I don't look at these indicators. They okay. Some of them work better on a daily chart, but for the most part, they still are lagging indicators. So let me see any more questions before I get out of here. Booker said, when we going to the moon? I don't know, man. Yeah, so I'm reading these comments, guys. Give me a second. What's BTC next target? I don't know. Abdul said, thanks for the talks. I shorted 77 leverage 25x. Sheesh. It made big bucks. Goodness gracious. Abdul shorted at 77. Okay, let me hit that cha-ching button for him. And he made that big buck. So let me hit that money. You know, and this is why I tell people, guys, you know, instead of buying dips, save your money. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice on his live stream, but you know, you can save your money instead of throwing away your money. You can make money with that money. Okay, you can make money with the money you're about to buy that dip. You know, the money that you're about to put into that dip. You can say, you know what, I'm not going to put that money in the dip. I'm going to play these swings and make money. You can have, people don't understand, you can have multiple strategies. Okay, if you want to hold a coin, a certain coin, fine, hold that coin. But you can have another strategy on the side where you are still, you know, where you can actually still play these swings. Okay. Let me see. So shout out to him, man, for making his bread. Ofta said, how much your course been? My course is $110. It's very affordable, but it's only a $110 on a live stream. So when I get off this live stream, it's going right back to $210. So Ofta, if you want to get it, it's best to get it on a live stream. Let me copy and paste the link for you. I should be charging way more than that, but you know, right now, I'm trying to give you guys a chance. PC Ald, I don't know if I'm saying your name right. I'm gonna call you PC. PC said, I bought your course but unable to unzip an iPad or iPhone, even with the apps, particular apps. Lost my chances to download, but anyway, thanks. No. PC, do you have a Mac? Do you have a Mac, PC? I mean, yeah, do you have a Mac? And you didn't lose your chance to download PC. The downloads that you got, PC, the downloads that you got, you can still save those downloads. Don't think that you lost your downloads. So that's the cost. Whatever you download, that's the cost that you have. Okay, so guys, I'm quite sure that some of you guys have a iPhone or iPad. How can you unzip a file from the iPad or iPhone? Did you download archive? PC. PC, email me, okay? Email me. All right, email me, and we will get it working, okay? PC, listen to me, okay? I want you to listen to me. Email me if you can't get it working, all right? Email me if you can't get it working. Trust me, I will find a way to get you that course. Trust me. Trust me, I will find a way to make sure that you download that course so you can look at it, all right? Booker said I shorted the double top. You shorted the double top? That's what's up, man. Let me hit that that cha-ching button for you too. PC, they telling you in the course. Richard told you in the course. I mean, in the chat room, how to download it. But if you still having problems, just email me, okay, PC. All right. All right. Anyway, guys, I'm about to get out of here. It's 10 o'clock. Like I told you guys before. Be careful. Okay, this is a dangerous market right now because it's a market that wants to sell off. Buying dips in this market is a very dangerous game because this thing can go much lower. Okay, so any coin that you're buying right now, just understand that it can go much lower than this. So in my opinion, the best way to play this market, this current market, is only playing the swings, because if you're buying and holding, you're just going to be waiting for years, you know, until buyers come in. You know, the way it's looking right now, it's looking like this market will be down for the whole year. So anyway, guys, shout out to everybody that's here, man. Let me get out of here. And for you guys that got the course, okay, for you guys that got this course, once again, once you get this course, I told you that send that what do you call that, the Discord link. Okay, send me an email, show me proof, so I can send you that Discord link. Okay, so if you got this course, send me email proof, so I can send you that Discord link, and so you get in. And that's about it, guys. Let me see. All right, so let me get out of here. I was looking for one more question, but thanks a lot, guys. Talk to you guys later. Don't let these YouTubers gas you up. Don't let these YouTubers lie to you. They don't know what they're talking about. If your favorite YouTuber don't know how to make money in this current market, that means that he's a rookie or she's a rookie, and they want you to lose money, okay? They want you to lose money, plain and simple. So shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for coming through. Shout out to everybody that's in this live stream. Let me give you guys a round of applause before I get out of here. Where's that button at? And thanks a lot, guys. Alrighty, so thanks a lot, and talk to you guys later. All right, talk to you guys later.